Good day guys, in this video we're talking about how to recover data from a dead phone or a phone with a broken screen. So for that you just need a small application for PC that will allow us to control our phone. So you just go Scrappy on Google like this. So this app allows you to control your phone. Then you go to releases, and let me actually update the app. I haven't done it in a while. I'll do it with you guys. And you're looking for a release, which is, let me find which one. Okay, so this one. All right, so open it up and let me unzip it. All right, so this is the folder with my Scrappy. I'm just going to drag the files, replace them, update the app. All right, so this is our files. And also guys, I'm warning you that if you have not set up USB debugging on your phone before your screen broke or your phone broke, that's pretty much, yeah, there's nothing you can do. Unless you bring it to service and they will help you. But yeah, if you didn't enable it, you know, your phone is dead. You won't be able to do anything with it. So I recommend you guys, if you're watching this video, just enable USB debugging. It's pretty simple. And then guys, you have two ways. You can open up your file explorer, and as you can see, my files are over here. So this is my phone, and now you can easily, you know, from your PC, go inside of this folder, into your phone storage, and then, you know, copy all your files or something, whatever you wish to do. And if you want to use Scrappy, you just launch Scrappy console, or open a terminal and do it with a command. I just always launch it like this. You allow that. Okay, so you launch the app in here, you accept the connection on the phone, I have just did, and now it should open. Alright, now as you can see, this is my phone, and you just go where you can just go about your phone, you click on Android version right here 7 times, alright, until you get the developer options unlocked and enabled. Then you go to the very bottom in here, you go to additional settings, then you go to developer options, and in here you just enable USB debugging. Let me see, there you go, there's USB debugging, and also install via USB, and now you have your entire phone settings enabled for this particular thing, and now you can operate your phone from your PC easily. And for example, if you wish to unlock your phone, you can just do this, just start up your Scrappy, then click on, for example, your password, and then you're done. So this is pretty much it. So just have the USB debugging enabled, and then you can, you know, transfer your files and your backup, and you will be able to use your phone, even with a broken screen. So enjoy guys, if this helped you out, like and subscribe, see you soon.